Good morning, everyone. We have here another variety of Aglaonema. The name is Aglaonema silver blue. Oblong ang kanyang leaves. The color of the leaves at this side is dark green. At the center, it is light green or grayish in color. That is the leaves of the Aglaonema silver blue. This plant is very easy to care for. It needs water seldom. You can water this every other day. Okay. It is very cold to the eye, pleasing to see. So this is Aglaonema silver blue. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share and comment. Thank you for watching. God bless.